Alright guys, here's the setup. First time seasoning my grill. It's just been sitting out here collecting dust. Utensils. Gonna move these grates, spray them down. We're using vegetable oil. Cook these out of here right now. I'm not gonna use the charcoal box. I don't have a chimney, a charcoal chimney yet. But I'll get one. Just put that in there to collect some of the ash. But I'm gonna spray all this down real good. Let's move this. These grills come from the factory with vegetable oil on them, and that's why I'll be spraying it down with some more vegetable oil. We're spraying all around in here, all of these contents with vegetable oil, and then every 20 minutes or so we'll continue to spray it down per the instructions. So let's get started. So this is what I'm gonna be using, guys. It was on sale. Okay guys, I have a chimney, but don't use that. I'm not gonna use this yet. I'll maybe use it. I'll maybe set this in here. I'm not sure. Yeah, so let's get the fire started first and raise this thing up to about 350. Every 20 or 30 minutes or so, I'll be out here spraying these grates down, spraying in the grill with some vegetable oil. The instructions say I want you to do it at least 5 times or 5 times. So this is what I'm using. This was on sale. 3 cans for like 8 something. I think like $2.99 a can if you buy 3 cans. So couldn't beat that. Oh, I left the stick on. I gotta take this off before it burn off. I'm trying to peel off before it gets too hot. All right, we're gonna raise this thing up to 350. Got some white smoke coming out of there, but all right, guys, I'm at about 250, and I got to throw some more charcoal on here. That stuff is burning, but I want to get it super hot quickly, so. Hold on, let me set the camera up. I couldn't find no baby backs, guys, so I just got some nice rib tips. Kind of leaned them off, cutting all the fat off of them. Just gonna do me some tips today. And maybe some chicken. I think I got some chicken. But lean these rib tips off. They really nice. See the brand. They was out of baby backs. That's what I wanted to do, baby backs. But I'm gonna do these rib tips, cutting some of the fat off of them. You don't get them on. All right, guys. I've seasoned my meat up. Gonna be using some of this to cover me up. So I'm ready. But yeah, we're gonna be on the grill. So this has been a about a 4-hour process with this whole thing. So let me cover this meat up into the grill that's prepped. This is the foil I'm using. Okay guys, I'm climbing it. I'm up there in temperature, so I'm gonna control it and keep going. I got 3 more times left. I bought 3 cans of this and I got just about enough to finish this up. So out of the 3 cans I bought, I got just about enough to finish all this stuff. But I sprayed it down heavy with this stuff. So let me continuously do this. I smell it burning off. This thing is burning. While I'm waiting on my grill to get prepped, guys, I do want you guys to see. It's Father's Day and it's 82 degrees outside currently right now. I started this process at around 1 o'clock today. Around 1:30. And I'll be getting meat on soon. But happy belated Father's Day to all the great fathers out there. Because when I drop this video, Father's Day gonna be in there. I came and went. So happy belated Father's Day to you guys. All right, I'm holding good at that 350. Got 1 more time to go. All right, guys, I can come down at this temperature now. I'm completely done with the seasoning process. Look at this. Look at that beautiful color. This thing is ready for meat. You're ready. Look at that. I also kind of lightly sprayed all across the grill with the spray. I didn't show that. I sprayed all across the grill lightly. So I'm gonna drop this meat on and I'll be back in a little while. This wasn't about me cooking. I'll share a quick story with you guys. Been cooking probably since I was 12, 13 years old. Unfortunately, my big brother got incarcerated, so made me the man of the house. And my mom had to work, so I had to cook for my 2 younger brothers. I had to cook every day for us, for the house. Then I worked at a couple fast food restaurants in my earlier teenage years. And I'm a sole cook of our household. Been that way since day one. Been cooking for our entire house. I make all the meals, whether it's breakfast, lunch. We rarely have lunch, but whether it's breakfast or dinner, it's me every day. So just share that with you guys. Another responsibility that I enjoy as the man of the house. I'll do 99% of all the cooking. So let me get some meat on. I made my special sauce. I can't share that recipe with you guys. I make my own barbecue sauce. Been doing it forever. It's amazing. I may sell it. I may put it on the market for the sale. It's incredible. I make it from scratch. So let me get some meat on, and I'm excited how this cook gonna come out. All right, guys, I'll be using some of this as well. All right, guys, these tips turned out amazing. We'll get them in the house and chop them up. I'm talking about amazing. Amazing. I had a couple pork chops. But it's a wrap for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And thanks for watching. Terrence, and I'm out. All right, guys, I have to come back and show my special sauce that I made up. I got my special sauce in here now. Just poured it on. And this is incredible. This is my sauce from homemade scratch. It's a very rich, like sweet tasting barbecue sauce. Look at that, guys. It's gonna be great.